Hey Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cute zebra. So let's get started. To draw this cute zebra, let's first start by drawing the mane. So we're going to come right here and just draw a soft curve right in the center. And then we're going to go up, a slight curve, and on this side as well. Just the same thing. And now that we're about the same level, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve all the way across. But I'm going to give it some breaks. So about right here and here, just break it up. And then continue your curve and break it up again and down. And then you can come in here, some details, some lines for more texture. There. So now that with the main end, we're going to come about right here in this area. And same thing right across. Just give yourself 2 points. And then we're going to draw this big dumpling shape. So I'm going to come down right here with a curve. And same thing here. So I'm just going to take it step by step because I'm drawing really big and I can't erase. And so that's why I drew the mane first. But if you're using a pencil, definitely draw this big curve first. And then put in the mane. So then I'm going to bring this down. So just remember, dumpling shapes are usually a little bit wider, narrower at the top. And then we're going to widen it out about right here for the cheek area and then bring it in. So I'm just going to keep going. If you're drawing smaller at home, this is definitely a lot easier and smoother, but I need to go bit by bit and make sure I'm going the right direction. Okay, so then from there, about right here, I'm going to go ahead, if my Sharpie would work, and connect it. Right, bottom right here, it's going to be a little bit flatter and connect. So definitely just come back and smooth out your shape. Okay, so there, it's like a big dumpling with a pineapple stuck on top, right? This could be anything. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and bring this to life. So let's see here. Let's say about in this area, like the halfway mark, we're going to come about here below the halfway mark and say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a big circle for some eyes. There, and I'm going to come right across nice and wide, so about in this area. So say about right here. And draw another circle. So when you're drawing this circle, just kind of take a look, make sure you're about the same width on both sides. Okay, so now with my circle in, I can actually make this a little chicken, huh? Okay, well, with so many options. But today we're drawing a zebra. So let's come back in here and we're going to make them draw so cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So play around with your drawings. Sometimes you might find that drawing the head shape first and then putting the eyes might be easier, or draw the eyes first and then draw the head shape around it. So it really depends on how complicated the drawing is, and that's how I kind of figure out which way to go first. Sometimes by drawing the eyes first, it just makes sure that everything is, the eyes are the correct space apart or size. Because sometimes when you're drawing the head first, your eyes might become too big or too small. But if it's not too complicated of a drawing, you can definitely draw the head shape first. Okay, so now that I have that in, I'm going to do the same thing on this side. From there, I'm going to come up above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then now for the nose and the snout area. So right underneath these eyes, I'll say about right here and here, right? So about the same place on the other side, right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw this oval shape. So I'm just going to come in here, around, right underneath the eyes. And bring this curve up towards my center, or about here. And then I'm going to start to come down. So we're just doing the same thing on both sides. And then round it off and bring it in. There. A little bit sketchy. Just to make sure I'm getting this in. Okay, so then now this big curve in here. We're going to come into this space in the center. So our center is here. So we're going to come right across about right here. And we're just going to draw a curve. And same thing about right here. So we need 2 of these curves for nostrils, and then I'm going to thicken this up. Okay, so there, now the nostrils in. Then from there, let's draw the ears. So I'm going to come up here in this area and say about right here. I'm just going to go up, do a curve, round off the tip, and bring it down. And then the inside, just follow your outside. There, so same thing right across, about right here, and here. So let's go up. So this zebra was inspired by, I don't even know, unfortunately, the name of the toy, the brand of the toy, but it's one of those surprise box toys. It was actually kind of like a unicorn zebra, actually very colorful. So, but I decided to make mine just a very plain zebra, change it up. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and I'll do the markings later to make it look like a zebra. Let's draw the body first. So right underneath the eye, about right here, same thing underneath the eye, about right here, we're going to come down a slight angle, both sides, and then we're going to give it a little bit of a wobble and out. So we're just going to thicken this part out. Just going to come out a little bit more. And let's say about right there. We're going to come back into the center and about right here and here. We're going to go ahead and draw the front leg. So we're going to come down with a curve. And same thing here, come down with a curve right in the center. Then we're going to thicken this up. So let's come about right here and connect. So same thing here, about right here. And connect. And then come in here, we're going to cut it off for the hoof. Right there, and then whatever space you have in between, just add a little line. Then for the back foot, we're going to just basically draw a hoof. So right next to it, say about in this area, we're just going to draw this hoof. So I'm going to come right here, and we're going to go up, curve, and let's touch that leg so we don't have to draw too many details, and down. So then just continue this, whatever, if you have any space, and continue this. And then we're going to come in here and follow your outside. There. So same thing on the other side. So let's bring down the same level, about right there. And then once again, come to about right here. And we're just going to touch this leg so we don't have to draw a lot of detail once again. And we're going to go up and down and connect. There. And then the details inside, just follow your outside. And once again, if you have any space, just connect it. There. Oh, it's so cute, right? Hopefully you think so. And then in this space right here, I'm going to add a tail for our zebra. We're going to come out. We're going to get a little bit thinner as we come out. And then this paintbrush leaf shape right here. And then we come in here with some curves to add some detail. And so that is pretty much it for the basic drawing. And so this could actually be a horse if you wanted, right? And if you wanted to make a unicorn, you can actually add a horn too. But like I said, today we're drawing a zebra. So to make it look like a zebra, let's come back into this, all this white space, and we're going to need to draw some stripes. So I'm going to come in here, just wobble some of these points. It's all up to you how you want to do it. There's no right or wrong way, so don't worry about it, just have fun. So same thing on the other side. So just gonna go quickly and do the same thing. And then on the body as well, just come in here. And then on the legs. We'll stagger these, and then even on the tail of a zebra, I think it's striped too. Oh, we have some space. We can draw one here. And I'll just make this one a heart, so I'll make it black. Right there. But I'll come in here and quickly shade this all in so we know for sure it's a zebra. There, all done finally. So now I really hope you love how the zebra turned out, and I've inspired you to draw them fun and easy as well. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it and I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.